Well, don't you have a family? Or a herd?
No, sorry. Actually, you may not believe this, but, I'm the only one like me I've ever seen.
Oh, I believe it. Yup.
That would be so strange, being the only one like you.
Just think of it. The only one.
Just me, the only flyer.
One of a kind, me think me like to be one of a kind. It's very nice to be the only me. Up in the sky, flap when me wanna flap, fly where me wanna fly. It would be fine as can be if the other flyers didn't laugh at me. And so me think me wouldn't mind if me were the only one of a kind. One of a kind. I used to love to be one of a kind, but it's too late to be the special one. 'Cause now that there's two, Dad doesn't notice one thing that I say or do. Doesn't he know? Can't he see? The best three-horn in the valley is me. You know, I really wouldn't mind if I could go back to being one of a kind.
But Sarah, no one else is special, just like you.
Oh no, no one can take your place.
And Petrie, no one makes me laugh the way you do.
With your squeakly voice.
Squeak!
And your smiley face.
Oh, one.
Hey guys, you just don't know how good you've got it. One of a kind. It can be lonely when you're one of a kind. You think if only you had brothers around who feel like you do, with prickly sticker things all over them too.
Sharing a nest, giving advice, being a family.
Oh, that would be nice, to leave that single life behind and be more than just one of a.
Maybe two of us.
How about four of us?
It could be six of us.
One of a
One of us.
kind. One.